The producers of Tech AV training programs welcome you to this, the third program in the Mechanical Couplings and Alignment series. In this program, we shall be dealing with shear type couplings, more commonly called FENNA-FLEX or rubber tire couplings. This program covers the procedures for dismantling, assembling and alignment demonstrated on a typical model rig. We begin with task number 1 in your workbook. That is to identify, dismantle, inspect and reassemble a typical FENNA-FLEX type coupling. The coupling is constructed in such a way that torque is transmitted through a substantial, resilient member, commonly made of rubber, sometimes neoprene. This tire-like component is clamped on either side between a coupling flange and the half coupling, also called a hub. Each half coupling in this example is attached to the output and the driven shafts on tapered bushes. Dismantling such a coupling reveals its basic simplicity. As with any drive unit, first ensure that the source of power has been isolated and tagged. Remove any safety guards once the machinery is totally stationary. Fully loosen all the set screws on both sides of the coupling. Once all the screws are loose, the resilient member can be removed. A few careful blows with a soft mallet may be necessary to break the adhesion between metal and rubber. Note that the component is split. This makes it possible to remove it without disturbing the motor alignment. Before fitting a replacement part, ensure that all flanges and mating surfaces are clean. Usually, a wire brush or emery tape will achieve a desired clean finish. If you intend reusing the old resilient member, first inspect it for any damage, such as cracking or rubber deterioration, which, if present, means that a new member should be installed. To reassemble, replace the resilient member over or into the flanges, ensuring that the bead area seats squarely all around the circumference. A few taps with a soft hammer help to seat the member. Nip down 2 opposite set screws on each side of the coupling. Then stretch the tire portion to achieve a split gap according to the specification. The actual gap is dependent on the coupling size. Your workbook provides various recommended gap dimensions. Secure all the set screws firmly and evenly on each flange. Practice the procedures demonstrated on a unit in your own training area.